hapon, Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay, kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama ko natin sa Facebook at YouTube at lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to your program. Happy birthday sa isa naming pinakamamahal na kasamahan dito sa Fast Talk, our Vice President for the Entertainment Group, Miss Janine Piad Nakar. Happy birthday. Maraming salamat. At Naitay, kapuso, thank you for choosing Fast Talk every afternoon. Dalawang bagay lamang po ang nais kong sabihin bago natin tawagin ang ating guest. Una, last note on the Maris Racal and Anthony Jennings controversy. I just want to say that I like the statement. Gustong-gusto ko ho yung statement ni Anthony Jennings. 23 seconds, nag-apologize, nagsabing sorry doon kay Jam at kay Maris at lahat ng mga nadamay. End of story. Less talk, less mistake nga, ika nga. And I thought it was proper. It was the best that he could do. Dahil ang detalye naman, alam na ng sambayanan. Pangalawa, we are also aware na may mga umiikot na screenshots ng conversation between Trevor, the husband of Rufa May Quinto, at saka ni Rufa May. Meron dong pag-uusap between the couple at meron din isang screenshot ng isang report galing sa pulisya sa Hawaii na may kinalaman naman kay Trevor. Now, we have this and we are trying to validate this. And we are in touch, and we will be in touch with the lawyer of Rufa May, Attorney Mary Louise Reyes, who has been very helpful to us. Kung ano ang mga developments sa balitang ito ay ibabahagi ho namin sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat. Ngayong hapon ay makakasama ho natin ang top 4 ng The Clash 2024. Pero bago ho natin sila makilala at bago natin sila mapakinggan, ay makakausap po muna natin ang isa sa The Clash panel. Siya'y mas magaling sa aming kumanta pero hindi masyadong malayo. Titingnan ho natin. He is Asia's romantic balladeer. Naitay, kapuso, please welcome Christian Bautista.
Thank you again for having me.
Welcome to the program. Merry Christmas. Agree ka naman doon, ha? Na hindi masyadong malapit, di ba?
Malapit.
In terms of quality of voice.
Magsasample ba po tayo ngayon o mamaya na lang?
Pwede ngayon. Yung, halimbawa, just one line.
Sige.
Ano lang ako medyo, okay. Bedroom voice lang. One more line.
Pag may reverb yung kay
Medyo,
Tito Boy.
may pagka-raspy di ba?
Saka may reverb na lumabas eh.
May reverb.
Grabe. May
Ganda,
angelicness.
No, that's my style, you know. I'm known worldwide for that reverb.
Excellent.
Okay, sige.
From now on.
Christian, thank you for being here. Maraming
Thank you
salamat.
always for having us. I'm so excited for you to meet the Clash.
I know. And we will be meeting them in a while, yung top 4 po ng Clash 2024.
Yeah.
Tanong, is that what we sang? Is that one of your favorite Christmas songs?
One of my favorites kasi it's parang bittersweet also. Pwede siyang for joy, pwede siyang for loneliness. Hindi lahat ng tao masaya sa Pasko.
Right.
Merong mga may pinagdadaanan yung iba.
At saka hindi ko alam kung bakit there's a certain vibe pagkapaskuhan. Alam ko masaya, pero minsan may pagkasenti, di ba? I don't know what it is. Maybe because some of us miss our families and cannot be with our
Lalo na yung
families.
mga OFWs natin.
Tama, yung ating mga OFWs. Kaya nauunawaan ko yun. Local, OPM na Christmas song.
Siyempre, Pasko na Sinta Ko. Kasi yun talaga ang nagsimula ng OPM Christmas love song.
Tama.
Na talagang sumabog naman talaga. Sir
You
Gaz.
have this video kung saan
I do!
you were making, not video, we will talk about it in another interview.
Okay. Kinabahan ako.
Meron ka?
Wala.
Okay. No, I'm joking, Christian. No, I saw that video kung saan old photos, pinapipirman mo sa iyong
Yes
mga
po.
kaibigan.
Yeah.
Sila Lani.
I,
Right. Okay.
Julie Raver,
Ang tanong ko doon ay, what is the story behind it?
Yun po ginagawa namin sa management namin, sa NIMA. We're a digital marketing, digital talent agency as well. At ang strategy namin para sa akin ay talagang how do I connect with the new viewers, the Gen Z people, and still remind them of who I am and who our friends are in the industry? So one way to do this is, para paalala lang sa kanila, hey, eto yung itsura namin before, let's have a good laugh about it.
Okay.
Tapos mag-connect tayo sa isa't isa. So nagwo-work naman, okay naman yung numbers.
I
At
love
natatawa
it.
sila.
No, and I love the concept, diba?
Thank you.
It's going to your core. It's going to your beginnings, for example. It's going to your story.
Yeah.
But at the same time, ang audience mo ay bago.
Yeah. Ala, meron ka.
Akin to. Wala ako. Si Christian lang.
Meron naman akong
Meron
ballpen.
ka?
Ano gagawin natin?
No, but you have a photo.
Of you.
Of
I have a photo of you. I-reveal ko na ba?
Okay. Huwag muna. Okay na. Ako naman,
Here, I have a pen if you
what do I do? Susulat ako ng dedication.
Dito sa aming
Likod.
very special photo of yours. So
Diyan
you will
ako.
sign mine and then I will sign.
Okay, let's sign each other.
Okay, monito, monita.
Okay, so
Ready na,
reveal.
exchange gift.
1, 2, 3, go!
Multiverse! Yes.
Oo, ang kapal pa ng mukha ko.
Wow.
Ang kapal pa ng mukha ko dito. Kapal ho ng video.
Grabe.
No, Christian has a pen.
Oh,
Okay.
thank you.
So, kanya-kanya tayo. Will you
Ayan,
write here lang?
Sign lang sa harap. So this is me nung college.
Signature lang, walang dedication?
Pwede rin naman, dedication.
Okay.
UP fight! Congrats, UP!
Wow! Ang ganda naman.
Yan.
Oh, there.
Oh, di ba? Naalala niyo ba yan? Memory?
We're still doing Star Talk.
Wonderful.
Dito sa Channel 7.
Wonderful.
Thank you po. Thank you for the hair. And thank you for the good times. So, I give this to you.
Yeah, exchange tayo.
Okay.
Thank
And I'll
you.
keep
Then
this.
we keep that.
Tingnan nyo si Christian, no? Walang kamuang-muang.
Hindi ko pa alam na magiging akong singer or artist niyan. During that time, akala ko magiging lang akong landscape architecture graduate.
Hindi mo pinursu yan, ano?
Hindi ko na-pursue kasi nag-theater ako agad.
Right.
Right after.
Pero ngayon, halimbawa, do you tinker with your garden, with your house, in terms of,
It has never left
plants?
my mind. Kung merong chance na mag-take ng board exam, I'll do it.
Kasi may kakilala ako, who's doing very well. No, I think he even topped the board
Okay.
ng landscape architect.
Sige, sa kanya lang ako magpapareview.
Okay, tama yun. Hindi, pag-usapan natin, kanina na ibalita ko ngayon nangyayari. Ang dami nangyayari ho sa mga panahon na ito. I had an interview with our friend Ay de las Alas dito. It was one of the most painful interviews I did in my life, di ba? Yung what caused it. And one of the causes ay nung sinabi niyang ayaw na ng kanyang asawa dahil gusto niyang magka-baby. First of all, did you have a conversation with Ay about it?
Ang conversation ko po with her is more of support.
Tama.
More of telling her na I am a friend. Lahat kami sa show, sa The Clash, we are friends. Hindi na ako nag-dwell or nag-dig deep. Medyo ganun po ako eh. Unless siya yung mag-reveal or gusto mag-open up. Pero ang usual na ginagawa ko po ay nakikinig na muna. There was an instance na nag-shoot kami sa isang show and then nafe-feel namin yung bigat. And she would tell herself na kaya ko to fighting habang the cameras are not rolling. And then when the cameras were rolling na, nung binigay na yung 5, 4, 3, makikita mo sa kanya willing herself and then to be okay. That's just a true professional right there.
Tama. Ginagawa talaga niya yun. Now, and in building from that conversation, from that point, I know you're young, Kat is young, but do you take offense when people ask you, when is the baby?
We don't take offense kasi parang tradisyon na yan ng
Di ba?
Pilipino.
Okay.
Ang lagi ko na lang sinasabi, I have a cat, I have a dog. Check
Ako
yung
naman, it bothers
Instagram
me.
namin. Okay.
That question, it bothers me because it's so hard to explain. And it's almost unmanageable. Kasi ito, I'll bring it to another point. Gaano kahalaga ang anak to a successful marriage?
Wow, that's a very good question. Ang pinaka-importante yata sa isang marriage ay isa't isa muna, yung partner mo muna first, before yung pressure na magkaroon ng isang
Tama.
anak. Kasi merong ibang mga write-ups or mga interviews din na people will be divided with this answer for sure. Yung iba ang sinasabi, focus on the anak. Meron naman sinasabi, focus on the marriage so that yung anak makikita ang very, very good example ng isang partnership and will admire you more. So depende na lang kung saan sila pupunta. Pero for me, parang yung tanong yan di ba? Parang, if there's an extreme case na someone is pregnant, if the woman is pregnant, and then you can only save one. Yung sa mga sine.
Correct.
Sa
Okay.
mga sine. Will you save the baby or the mother? It's an impossible choice. Pero, only that moment, only your faith in God and your trust and faith will give you that answer.
Salamat. Oo, doon mo lamang malalaman ang kasagutan. But, let's talk about the class. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Grand Finals po, magaganap ngayong Sabado.
Yes.
Tama ba ko? 7:15
Yes.
in the evening. And it
Mga
has been
7:14, 59
14,
seconds.
15.
Mga ganun.
Okay. That's gonna happen. And it's a grand final.
Yes.
And today we're meeting
The Final Four.
the Final Four. Ipakilala natin sila. Naitay Kapuso, narito po ang Final Four. Chloe, Angel, Alfred, and Naya. Ano yung pranasap? Naya, Naya. Naya, hello. Wow.
There they are. I'm so proud.
Maraming salamat. Just so proud.
Yes, I am.
Kayong tatlo nila Lani, what was the principal consideration? How did you come up with the choices?
Talagang tinrabaho nila ang bawat kanta, ang bawat pag-perform nila from beginning to end. They grew, they fought through hardships, they gave their best, at talagang eto na po sila, the best of the best for this batch.
Kaninong judge kayo? Kaninong panelist kayo or panel natatakot?
Sige, alis muna ako.
Dito ka. Kanino?
Kay Sir Christian po.
Kanino?
Kay Sir Christian.
Bakit?
Ano technical talagang...
Nakikinig, no?
Opo eh.
Kaya kanina medyo alanganin ako ibigay ng todo kasi
I'm a good
pinakikinggan niya
listener
ako.
kasi.
Sino?
Sir Christian din po.
Talaga.
Grabe po. Sobrang helpful din po kasi ng mga comments. niya.
Right. At hindi ka pwedeng, you can't, di ba?
At least helpful.
Helpful, okay.
Si Sir Christian din.
Oh, no.
Kasi you can't wing a song, di ba,
Parang
with
nilalagnat
Christian. Sino?
Si Sir Christian din po.
Ganito na lang. Sa inyong apat, halimbawa, mabilisan lang, sinong binabantayan mo sa tatlo?
Ako po, lahat po sila binabantayan ko kasi napakagaling po nilang mga
Hindi, halimbawa, isa lang.
Naku.
5, 4, 3.
Go.
Si Alfred po.
Ayun na.
Ikaw, Alfred.
Ay, si Alfred.
Alfred.
Si Alfred.
Alfred,
Sorry,
sino
sorry.
binabantayan mo?
Sinaya po.
Naya, sino binabantayan
Si
mo?
Angel D po.
Wow, they're even working together, passing the
O,
blame.
hindi pakinggan natin ngayon, di ba? Pakinggan na. Mabilisan lamang. Halimbawa kung Q&A ito, bakit kayo ang dapat hirangin na grand champion?
Kasi matagal ko na po itong nilalaban yung pangarap ko. 8 years old pa lang po ako, sumasali na po ako na singing
Okay.
contest.
Bukod po sa matagal ko nang pinapangarap na maging isang singer, na makilalang isang singer, gusto ko po makapag-spread pa ng love and healing sa iba.
Tinatanggap namin yung love na yan. Go.
Ako naman kasi po, napaka-determinado ko po talaga sa pangarap kong ito. Handa akong ibigay lahat para, isakripisyo lahat para dito at syempre, para maging proud yung mga kababayan ko sa Burias Island tsaka sa Bicol.
Wow.
Akin po, simple naman po. Naniniwala po ako sa kakayahan na binilord sa akin.
Okay. Well, yun ang Q&A. Gaano kayo kagaling pag kumanta? Who is the best? Hindi lamang malalaman ang isa sa mga panelists, ang isa sa mga panel, pero malalaman ni Nanay at Tatay at ang ating mga kapuso. The Final Four sa Clash 2024 will perform what song?
Give love on Christmas.
Give Love on Christmas Day. Sa pagbabalik. And I want to ask you this. The one piece of advice na bibigay mo sa kanila para magtagal sila dito sa industriya. Ang kasagutan, ang performance sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Back here at the show. We have to do Fast Talk with Christian. Christian, ready?
No?
You have to be ready.
Okay.
Okay. Pilio, romantico.
Romantic.
Pogi, funny.
Funny.
Seloso, maloko.
Maloko.
Clasher, basher.
Clasher.
Makapal ang mukha, matigas ang abs.
Matigas ang abs.
Malamig na boses o hot na katawan.
Malamig na boss.
Under kay Mrs., stricto kay Mrs.
Again?
Under kay Mrs. o strict kay
Strict
Mrs.
with love.
Oh, unang nangangalabit o unang napapagod?
Unang nangangalabit with love.
Oh, lights on or lights off?
Lights on pero dim.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
At night.
Song of your life. Ano ito? Let's invite everybody again this coming Saturday. That's at 7:15 in the evening.
Yes, Sabado na po. Grabe, The Clash Finals. Please, manood kayo sa TV, sa online, sa lahat. Kasi we want you to be part of history as The Clash changes these kids' life. Thank you so much.
Maraming salamat. And as promised, Naitay Kapuso, please welcome the Final Four of Clash 2024. Chloe, Angel, Alfred, and Naya. Maraming salamat. Christian, mabuhay ka.
Mabuhay
Merry
din, Tito
Christmas.
Boy. Enjoy your
Maraming
vacations.
salamat. Thank you very much. Thank you. Naitay Kapuso, maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan at puso araw-araw. Merry Christmas. Stay kind, and stay kind whatever happens. Make your nanay proud. And also your tatay. Say thank you. Do one good thing a day and make this world a better place. Goodbye for now. God bless.